This is my magic formula to master intonation. You can have a fantastic pronunciation, but if your intonation is not good, communication is gonna break. And I'm gonna explain why. Pronunciation is for specific sounds, for phonemes, which are individual sounds, for syllables, but intonation is something bigger. Intonation is like the music of English. We make emphasis on every word. In English, we don't. And that's what we're gonna learn today. So, are you ready? This is the first step. And then you have to keep practicing and practicing and practicing and practicing. Tell me this sentence.
My intonation is great. My intonation is great.
My intonation is great.
My intonation is great.
My intonation is great.
Okay, guys, your intonation is great. From the theoretical perspective, is your intonation correct? Like perfectly accurate in English? Let's see. Well, the system is different. It's supposed to sound like this. My intonation is great. And you're like, what? Because in Spanish, we make emphasis on every word, remember? But in English, we don't. This is like the general explanation. The big words have emphasis, the little words don't. My intonation is great. Repeat it, please. My intonation is great. Doing it physically works. My intonation is great. Attack. And you're gonna tell me, teacher, I feel stupid. Don't worry. This is how you play with your brain. Because when you do it physically, your brain remembers more. Now, intonation, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, is related to the sound changes produced by the rise and fall of the voice when speaking. It has an effect on meaning. And that's something that students usually never know. And that's what we're gonna learn.